I am going to present a topic on information and what are the types of information. So, all of you know what is information. Information is a raw material which is used for decision making. Anybody needs information because we are living in the society. We cannot live without information. So, information is a raw material which is used for decision making. So, there is a saying that is information which is derived from two Latin words, that is one is forma and another is formatio. Forma and formatio means give shape to something and forming a pattern. That is, in order to get certain idea about something, we need information. So, it is very essential for the day-to-day activities of a human being. For the national development or the state level development, we need information. So, information is coming from data. So, data is the raw material which is used for deriving information. The next level is knowledge. So, what is knowledge? So, information is added day by day, it will become knowledge. So, we have a knowledge structure, already we have a knowledge structure. For getting a piece of information day by day, our knowledge structure is increasing. So, for getting knowledge, we need information. So, systematic knowledge that will lead to wisdom. So, wisdom is at the top level and data is at the bottom level. So, data is actually facts, that facts coming from the society or from various sources. So, wisdom is at the top level, I have already told you. Then coming to what is technology. Technology is systematic knowledge and action. So, when knowledge is there, we have to use it somewhere for getting a result, that is what is called technology. Now, we are living in the technological age. So, without technology we cannot exist in the society. So, we have to keep update every day for getting better living in the society. So, next we can look into what are the types of information. There are mainly two types of information, that is documentary and non-documentary. The information which is coming out from various sources, that is documentary sources as well as non-documentary sources. The documentary sources are concerned the information which is embodied in certain documents, that is what is called documentary information. Documentary information can again be classified into three, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. Then we can look into what is primary source. The primary source is the source from where we get the first hand information, that is the newborn information or the nascent information. There are many primary sources including periodicals, patents, research reports, treaties, etc. What is a research report? Research report is the output of any research. So, we know research is a studious inquiry. We get certain results through research. So, that research will give certain new information. This information coming to the community through certain research reports. So, we are doing research in the academic field also. That will actually, that report is the thesis as well as dissertation. If we do the research in a studious manner, then we have to submit something to the university for getting an academic degree. That is for getting the partial, for getting a degree we have to submit a research report to the university, that is what is called dissertation or thesis. For PhD it is concerned, it is thesis, but as far as a short process, that is for MSc degree or MPhil degree, it is what is called dissertation. For both these things we get some primary information. So, then we can see another primary information which primary source, which is what is called patent. What is patent? Patent is actually a monopoly granted by the government to an individual for using his invention or to sell his invention. So, patent will always give the primary information. So, that is one of the another primary source. Then coming to standard. So, we need standard for everything. So, standard is very essential for getting certain uniformity. So, we have a patent office, we have certain standards in India. that is Indian Standard Institution, they are giving certain standards, that is ISI, or it is provided by Bureau of Indian Standards. Then there are another primary sources, including treaties or monographs like that. Then coming to the secondary source. What is secondary source? Secondary source is actually the source which give the second hand information, that is we get certain reorganized information through the secondary sources, including bibliographies, then catalogs, union catalog, etc. So the secondary source which gives the second hand information, we have to reorganize the information in the secondary sources. Then coming to the tertiary source. The tertiary source actually give information about the primary source as well as the secondary source. There are so many tertiary sources, including directories, yearbooks, then bibliography of bibliography, like that. Then what is bibliography? Bibliography is a list of books. So list of books, then list of bibliography, that is what is called bibliography of bibliography, or it is what is called cumulative bibliographies. So then coming to the non-documentary sources, the source which is the information which is available from non-documentary sources also, including mass media, social media, or some internet, like that. So that is the non-documentary sources. Then some electronic sources also. We know we the people are now living in the Google age. That is what we wish to get, that we have to go to the Google and take the information from there. That is the Google mentality of the people. So there is a saying, that is Mada Pida Guru Devam. Now it is changed to Mada Pida Google Devam. So whatever we want, it is available from Google. That is a mentality of the people. So that we have to live in, we have to stay in line, and we have to do in online. That is a tendency of many people. So everything is available in internet. So that is one of the non-documentary